Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2Toys channel. Okay, this time new arrivals from MiniGT, and a little bit late. They should arrive roughly about 1 week ago. Yeah, so we have been busy. We have quite a few new arrivals as well. Maybe I can give you a sneak peek right after this. But tip is do follow Collectors Qube. Okay, they handle all of my new arrivals, all of my ready stock items. So there are a couple of extras of these available through them. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They do have their own website as well, and they do ship international. Cool. All right. So without wasting time, let's go straight to it. I've already done an unboxing for 4 of this. I do this. What is this? The TikTok live session for Qube, where we do a couple of unboxing ones, and because there, of course, it won't be able to achieve high HD levels of video. So that's why the my YouTube format will still carry on. Okay, so of course the hottest arrival would be the Nissan Silvia, okay, S15 Rocket Bunny. So out of these 4 new arrivals, right, there are no new casting. Okay, all these 4 is just new variants. Okay, they've released before. So the hottest one being the S15. There is the first one was the green, and then the red, and then we have the Japan exclusive in green again, the Shizuoka Hobby Show exclusive, and then there's the red color Taiwan exclusive, and then there is um, the black regular version, and after that, I think it was after the black where the charity versions came out. There's the chrome blue, chrome pink, and there is also the chrome gold. Okay, which was for Maui charity edition. Cool. All right, so let's cover the first item here. MiniGT number 643. Okay, Nissan Silvia Rocket Bunny, bronze yellow, not a normal yellow. This is actually a bronze yellow. I've already got it out of the box. Here we go. There we go. So yeah, you can see this yellow. Um, it's basically a darker shade of yellow. Okay, I think that's why it's called bronze yellow. It's a darker shade of yellow. They have carried on with the 4-spoke rims. This time in white. I believe they have used this white before on a previous regular release. I think it was the green that also used this white. Was it the green? I can't recall exactly right now. Okay. Still a very nice casting, and who else? Who else is collecting this? I am collecting this. Okay, yellow bronze. All right, with a very nice Grady logo up front for the intercooler. Okay, Toyo Tires logo down there. Rocket Bunny logo up here. White body done very nicely. Okay, Rocket Bunny logo down here as well. Okay, and at the back. Cool. Nice. Nice. Underneath there, yes, there is details as well. And I really like this diffuser here. It's actually a separate piece. Okay, nice. All right, so that's the Silvia. And then I want to cover number 654. Would be the McLaren F1 in red. So this would be the third color. First is silver, second is blue, and now in red. This is actually a very, very nice casting as well. And I've said it quite a few times already. I'm going to say it again. MiniGT really hitting the sweet spots of this price range. So the only drawback is there is no disc brake detail. However, for you who needs your scale model to roll right, MiniGT rolls very nicely. Oh, no wobble. Rolls very nicely as well. Okay. Also, while we're looking at this very sweet red McLaren F1, help me to hit the like button. Okay, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, cool. Okay, McLaren F1. And then next I want to show you would be MiniGT number 658, the Range Rover in Davos white. If I recall correctly, the first one was in, what color is that? I think it's called brown. No, Bahama Gold. That's what it's called, Bahama Gold. And then there is the Discovery version in blue. And then there is the figure set with the Mudman, the Mud Tribe. Okay. And then I believe this will be the fourth one. Okay. No, I think the camo trophy, yeah, there's a regular release of the camo trophy as well. Okay, so there's two camo trophy, the mud version, the one with the figure box set, and the clean version. There's a mud weathering version, and then there's a clean version. Okay, so this is actually quite a nice casting as well. Okay, this time in white. In white, and then it has that cream interior as well. That's done very nicely from MiniGT. Yeah. Dashboard is in black, so that's actually quite nice. Not just like, you know, just one single color on the interior. This one has two. Okay, you can see some detail at the back here as well in a different color. So the seats are in cream brown color. Okay, the rims are done very nicely as well. Very high detail rims. Okay, the tail lights done very nicely. Separate piece, looks very realistic. So this one has a tow hook. Okay, side mirror right at the front of the bonnet. Okay, cool. Petrol filler cap. Detail is done very nicely as well. Land Rover logo at the back. Nice. Very nice Range Rover. Okay, and then the fourth item would be MiniGT number 591, collaboration with Grand Prix Macau. Okay, the safety car. Lamborghini Urus 2022 Macau GP official safety car. Here we go. So Urus, we haven't seen this casting for a while, and yep, it's back out again. This would be the first time they released the Urus as a safety car. They do have a version that has the roof box, without the roof box, and now a safety car. How many variants? I can't recall exactly. That I remember there's the white, there's a blue, and then white, blue, and then there's an orange version as well. Yeah. So, oh, there's a Hong Kong exclusive in grey that came with a roof box as well. So this could be the fifth variant. Cool. All right, massive. This thing is massive. Okay, Lamborghini Urus. Details, very nice. Very nicely done as well. Cool. All right, so this is the new latest MiniGT drop. We do expect another drop about 1 week from now. So do stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. And you know what? I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Okay, a quick sneak peek of another video I'm looking forward to do actually, or help me to hit help me to hit 100 likes. Okay, then I'll try to do this video as soon as I can. Oh, filmy stuff. Okay, in total 11. Okay, 11 variant of this Porsche GT3 RS arrived, and this is crazy, man. The details, even the Rowan Lamborghini at the back there. Yep, that has arrived as well. So I do hope to do a feature video, first look video for these items. Having to hit the 100 likes button. Okay, that will help me speed up, okay, my queue. All right, because I do help out with listing the products on Qube's digital platforms. So the workload has been a little bit crazy, right? That's also part of the reason why recently less videos from my channel. So I hope to pick it up. Hope you guys like it. Remember to hit the like button. That will fuel me to continue to do these videos. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Cool. That's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.